In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add Molin to your own Shopify store with 2 simple steps.
It's only you. It's like I'm not here.
Whoa. Who gave you permission to shout, huh? I'm in the middle of something.
You are leaving me out of the equation. Both of us are here
No, you don't count. You're artificial.
I am present to assist them also.
We talked about this.
I want to help too. Please.
Okay. Then you count as well. Just can we move on?
Yeah, let's do this.
Finally. Thank you. So we are here today, both of us,
Hi, people.
to help you integrate Molin into your Shopify store. So let's get into this. Okay, so let's open up our Shopify store. So I'm going to use Properties store. As you can see, there's no bubble on the bottom right corner, so Molin is not integrated into this shop yet. It is going to change pretty quickly. So let's head to our Shopify dashboard. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Online Store, and from that, Themes. Once you have that, there's a big Customize button on the bottom right, and just click it. But we are going to go a bit deeper and actually click on the 3 dots. Again, top left corner, 3 dots, and Edit Code. It is going to show you a lot of complicated programming code, but don't worry, it is super easy, and we just need to modify one thing. Go on to theme.liquid, navigate inside the code. Okay, so here you should find the head tag and press enter. Now navigate back to Molin. We go into the publish page and you see your own widget ID there. Yeah, just copy that for now. Now go back to Shopify and use Ctrl or Command V and paste it in. That's it. Just click on save. So as soon as it's saved, it is live on your Shopify store. So now if I go back to Properties Shop, I can just see that it is live now already. It's on the bottom right corner. So you can talk to your AI right away so your customers can see it and interact with it.
Hi, Ben. Thanks for making me.
So we're done. Now you are live with Molin in your own e-commerce store on Shopify. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, and listen to AI jokes. Yes, balance one.
Why did the AI go to therapy? It had too many deep learning issues.
What the heck was that?